mates. Oh. Ah, mates. Holy crap. That looks nice. Let's go fishing. That's not a knife. This is a knife. Let's go with this one. We'll go tiny little hook like that. We're gonna go weightless, and I'm not even gonna worry about putting on leader because there's a lot of fish here, and yeah, I just don't even care. Got some disgusting tweed bait. Tweed bait always stinks like crap. We'll go a real small piece. Perfect. They're weird looking jellyfish. First cast of the day. Alright, I was just joking. This is the real first cast of the day. Alright, this is not going to plan. It's not sinking. Alright, we got a sinker on. Time to get into the real fishing. Oh, that was a fish. Of course, I catch the only bit of weed floating past. Alright, it's time to move spot. This would have to be the smallest whiting in the world. I think there's a whole school of little ones here, so we're going to chuck it back and see what happens. What is that? Another tiny little whiting. Oh, he swallowed the hook. There he goes. Ooh. Oh, another little whiting. Settle down. Settle down. See you, buddy. Alright, time to switch up the bait. Ugh. It's currently day number 2 of this fishing trip. I have a handful of prawns because I don't know why. I just got a handful of prawns on my fishing rod. We are on the way to the lake. I'm not fishing at the river today, and hopefully we can get a few brim. I don't know how big it will be, but hopefully we can get it. But first we got to make a little detour. This puddle. That was so cold. I just got so wet, but it was worth it for the video. Alright, we're nearly here. Here we are. Hey, there's already a few brim. I'm gonna try get some underwater footage. Enjoy. Right, I don't know if that worked. The fish was scared of the little light on the GoPro, so hopefully it did. Changing up to the chestnut. Let's do this. Oh wait, this is water. Ah. Right, I hope that's better. Right. Let's go fishing. I'm going to try over here first. Alright. My camera's about to die. I need to at least catch one fish for you guys. That's a fish. That is the worst fish I did not want to see. Yuck. A fish is a fish, but a butter brim is cat food. See you, buddy. This is the last bait because my camera's about to die and I want to do something before it dies. So, yeah. Hopefully this can catch a fish. Uh-oh, my camera's about to die. Alright, last bait. Oh, it's saying battery low. That's a fish. Oh, another butter brim. Alright. Before my camera dies. Come on, give me my hook. My camera's about to die. Butter brim. In. Alright, I'll be back. Before this video ends, I'm doing this real quick. I've seen a barracuda in here. It ate one of my brim once, so hopefully it doesn't eat me. Right. One front flip and then I'm gone. This water is so cold. But thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next adventure.
Benjamin's in my pocket. I traded my truth for some robbers, and he's playing Batman. Freddy's gonna rob him. Yeah, I got the Glock in my